friends! Welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. Today I will show you what Japanese dinner is like and how to prepare it. The Japanese dinner consists of main course, which is made of protein like fish or meat, and 2 to 3 side dishes made of vegetables. And of course, these dishes are served with freshly steamed Japanese short grain rice and soup. It sounds taking much time to prepare, but it doesn't. Usually, I prepare all the dishes within 30 to 40 minutes. Let me show you how I prepare dinner quick and so easy. Let's get started. Before start cooking, rinse your rice and set on the rice cooker. Line them on a rack of griller and cook on high heat for 5 minutes. Flip them over and cook 5 more minutes. If the eggplants get charred and soft to touch, take out onto a tray and let it cool to 5 minutes before peeling. Put a small bowl filled with water beside you. Peel the charred skin. Cool your finger with the water and be careful, it is so hot. The skin should be peeled off easily while it is hot. Tear into strips and cut the lengths into bite size. Transfer to a dish and top with grated ginger. Let's cook simmered sister pepper while grilling the eggplant. This recipe is my kind of invention. Super simple but tasty. Cut off the stem end with your kitchen shears. Poke your sister pepper with a toothpick or skewer several times. Simmer in water, soy sauce and mirin for 5 minutes with the lid on. When the peppers become soft, turn off the heat and add in bonito flakes. Bonito flakes adds dashi to the broth and it makes so flavorful. Leave the bonito flake and serve with shishito peppers. Set aside until served. Next, the main course, grilled pork with negi shio dare. Chop your scallion into the thin slices. It looks a lot, but trust me, it makes really good sauce. Add in sugar, salt, and sesame oil. Add toasted sesame seed and it adds a nutty flavor. Pat dry your pork tenderloin. Cut it into 1 cm slices. Cut open the end part and score the surface. Sprinkle salt and black pepper. Heat the grilling pan on high and oil the surface. Grill until nicely cooked. Avoid overcooking, otherwise it becomes dry. Transfer to a dish and pour over the negi shio dare. That's all for today's dinner. It took 30 minutes from start to finish. We love to enjoy the natural taste of eggplant. This dish is the most simple way to cook eggplant and very popular. You can also pour mentsuyu over it. Shishito peppers absorb umami from the bonito flakes and it tastes so flavorful. This type of shishito pepper is not spicy at all. So simple but so flavorful. Grilled pork is not dry at all. Negi shio dare has intense flavor but goes well with pork. I like pork tenderloin because it is lean but soft. Vitamin B contained in pork works as an anti-fatigue agent and the scallion helps absorb into our body. This is the most suitable dishes for the end of the summer. What do you think about our meal preparation? Let me know if you like to watch more video like this. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Tap the bell icon to be the first to know my video is updated. Go to my website for more information and printable recipe. Follow me on my social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. Lastly, visit my website on Amazon to check what I'm using in my video. I have listed my favorite seasonings and kitchen tools on the shop. Thanks again and I will see you soon. Bye!